Welcome to Jove. Let's take a look at how you can import a common cartridge file into Canvas. Open the Jove website. Sign in to your account. Click on your profile icon and select My Playlists. Search for your playlist of interest and click to open it. Click on the Download CC button. This will download the common cartridge file on your computer. Now open your Canvas course. Navigate to Settings. Click on Import Course Content. Under Import Content, click on the drop-down and select Common Cartridge. Click Choose File button under Source and select the previously downloaded common cartridge file from your computer. Under Content, select All Content. Click Import. Click on Modules in the Courses menu on the left-hand panel. Select a video you would like to play from the newly imported collection. That's it. Thank you for watching.